Hi there, pomegranates. We absolutely love pomegranates here at the Calabash. Whenever we travel to the Far East or we in the Middle East, we enjoy finding nice fresh pomegranates, which really excite us. Fresh pomegranate juice, my favorite juice, and pomegranate seeds with duck and in duck salads. They work so well with molasses and that. But what we find is that people don't know how to actually peel and to get the seeds out of the pomegranate skin. And that's what we'd like to share with you today. It's really simple. It's not difficult. Just need to show you how to do it, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to the pomegranate now. We have the pomegranate there, and if you look at the pomegranate from the top, you can actually see there are little level lines. It's not exactly round, and basically there is a membrane that's going down there. All you do, really simple, take your pomegranate, put it on the table, just give it a cut there like that. There we go, like that. And you just cut through there. And the other thing is, people seem to think that it's good to bang the pomegranate on a hard surface. Don't do that, okay? Just pull the lid off there like that, okay? And there, as I explained to you, if you look there now, you can actually see the membranes there, a little bit like an orange if you want to call it that, okay? Take there, and you just take your knife, just cut it through there like that, okay? Once again, through there like that. Don't cut all the way to the bottom, and you'll see why now. There we go, through there, down there. And you just like a little bit of a segment if you want to call it that, okay? But the membranes are clear there, okay? And you take it and you just pull it apart there like that. Just gently pull it apart, not totally, leave the bottoms there. And you can see the skin's already coming out there, okay? There you see, oh, this pomegranate is beautiful, so ripe, so red. Pull away the center, there you go. And there we go. How simple is that? You now can pull your membrane away, and you can pull that away there from there like that, and there the seeds just come out now. Really simple, really easy. Never ever cut a pomegranate through the center. Never cut it through. This is a way to do it. It's just a waste of seeds and that. Really simple to get it out there now, and you just slowly have to take it out, okay? That's how simple it is, okay? Do not cut the pomegranate through the middle. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and enjoy your pomegranates in future. Take care. Keep it cooking. Bye.